I'm Renee. I'm the founder and head of Explosions here at the Curiosity Box. Today I'm going to unbox one of our STEM Day in a Box kits. This one is our rubber band racer. This is for primary schools. We're looking at Key Stage 2 here, and the idea is really to give you everything you need to run a really fun hands-on STEM day in class. When we open up, this one's made up of two boxes. So in the first box here, there are instruction sheets for the children, one for each group, as well as an activity pack that has all of the component parts they'll need to run this activity, taking them through step by step with pictures to help to guide them through there. They also get recording sheets. Now in this one, what we're looking at is getting them to think through the original design of their car. They're going to do some testing and then come back and think about what modifications they want to make to their car to make it go faster. So that can all happen on there. In the second box, we have more activity packs and your teacher pack. All of our STEM Day in a Box kits come with a teacher pack, and the idea here is that we give you not only an extra activity so that you can really familiarize yourself with it beforehand, but this one, which is the hero making kit for teachers. And this is going to take you through everything you need to know to be able to make this a really fun and engaging STEM day. Each of our STEM Day packs is linked to a real world challenge. We do this to try and make it more engaging for the children, and also so that you can bring in other areas of the curriculum and really bring the STEM to life. So the challenge for our rubber band racers is about a girl called Jeddah. Now Jeddah is 11 and she lives in the outback in Australia, 500 miles from the nearest town. Her home is a cattle ranch with thousands of cows. She is so far away that she goes to the School of the Air, where she tunes into the radio to do her lessons with a teacher in a school thousands of miles away. It can be really lonely out there, and Jeddah's best friend Cohen lives on a farm 100 kilometers away. She needs to build a car that doesn't need fuel and is really cheap to make. Can you help her test her prototype? And this is where our funky little rubber band racer comes in. So you set the stage with that story, and that carries through the day and through the activities, particularly into the extension activities. Now I've made little YouTube videos introducing the story and telling the story to the children that you can choose to use if you want to, or you can go through it yourself here. You'll get a list of everything that's in the kit, the things in your teacher pack, and any of the other bits and pieces you might need. And we try and pack in all the things that would potentially not be easily accessible for you or would take a lot of time to source. Some things like scissors, pencils, coloured pencils, things like that we know you're going to have in class, we haven't included in the kit. So that's all listed there. And we also tell you the things that you'll need to make sure you've prepared and tested before the class begins. We give you a timing guide, which is a rough guide so that you get an idea of how long certain component parts of the activity are going to take. Then you get a set of instructions, the same as the ones that the children get, but with extra detail, so that we're building in troubleshooting when things might go wrong, why that might be, into here as well. In our What's Going On section, we explain all of the science or engineering underpinning this activity. And then we have an Extend and Create section. Now this is where you can really go to town with this activity. You can either use this to push some of the more able students, or you can do it as a whole class, bringing in, as I said earlier, some mathematics, bringing in more of that storytelling and some literacy into there as well, and extend that activity further into the day and possibly even beyond that. And we have a homework ideas section. This is where we give you some ideas about things that you might want to send the kids home with to, again, extend that activity into the home. Lots of sort of project-based activities that really build on that story. Every one of our STEM Day in a Box kits is mapped onto the national curriculum. And here we look at lower and upper Key Stage 2 and the type of learning objectives that this activity should be helping them to achieve, and a really easy tick box system for being able to check whether you actually feel like you've covered that. We give you a copy of the recording sheet so that if you want to photocopy and use these again, then you can do that. And again here we're bringing in some mathematics by helping the children to be able to run a number of tests that you can then use as a whole class maths activity. And finally, they get a certificate here where you can photocopy and send them home for their achievement of having done a really awesome STEM day. Now this activity can have a competitive element to it. You could run it so that the child or the group that is able to get their Zoom eraser to go the furthest or the fastest can get a prize, and we provide you with some of our very popular air putty, which is a super light moldable clay that you can give out as prizes. This is one of our most popular kids gadgety toys, so that's a fun one for a little bonus. And every child will get one of these to take home, which is one of those paper fortune tellers. Do you remember when you had those when we were at primary school? I don't know if they're popular. I don't think they're very popular at the moment, but I think they're going to become popular again with this, because this is the fortune it's going to tell them is what kind of scientist or engineer that they might like to become. So things like you're an astrophysicist, you're a doctor, or you're a maths guru are the fortunes that will come out of that fortune teller, and I think the kids will really like those. So that's our STEM Day in a Box. This is our rubber band racer activity, and these are all available on our website. Thank you.